Dear ladies and gentlemen, hi everyone, I'm Yanina Petrovskaya, RLP lawyers. We are going to discuss with you today what are the major requirements, major steps to conduct an STO in Switzerland. Major thing that you're most likely are going to need from a certain requirement, from a certain amount that you are going to raise as a prospectus. Because tokenized securities are still considered to be securities, namely most likely uncertificated securities under Swiss law. And in 2019, you didn't need to register prospectus with FINMA, the Swiss regulator. From 2020, this is definitely needed. You would need to prepare and get your prospectus approved by the regulator. Since those tokenized securities are considered to be financial instruments, it is important to understand whether the country where you're going to issue those tokenized securities has access to certain markets. Since Switzerland is not part of the European Union but has bilateral agreements with European Union, it has restricted access to single market, which means, for example, if you conduct a security token offering from Liechtenstein, you are able to use so-called passporting, submitting notifications to regulators within the European Union to be able to distribute your security tokens all over the European Union. With Switzerland, it's a little bit difficult. You would definitely need a company, because conducting an STO actually already means that you have a business, that you have a company somewhere else, maybe not in Switzerland, but still, when you would like to raise your money from Switzerland, then you would definitely need a company. Running a company means you would definitely also need accountants and audits. Also, there is one of the most important requirements for having bank accounts with Swiss banks for STOs, that you conduct KYC and AML for your investors. Some do the KYC and AML, the compliance procedure, internally. Some find suitable technical providers of KYC and AML services, which also could be used, but to do it is not an option anymore. That has to be done. And most likely you're going to need directors either with Swiss passport or with residence permit. So these are the major things for actually just doing a business, having a company in Switzerland, and also, of course, for conducting security token offering, for issuing tokenized securities in this country. I'm Yanina Petrovskaya, RLP lawyers. This was it actually about the major steps from legal perspective for security token offering in Switzerland. Thank you a lot.